Alright guys, I've been beating the proverbial dead horse the last 8 days with my shave wars of the Mach 3 versus Mach 3 Turbo. You're probably getting sick of seeing them up against each other, and in my want to give you a little bit more enjoyment, I'm going to go ahead and call it. Mach 3 Turbo is slightly better than the Mach 3. Now I'm going to continue the shave. I told you I'd do 15 days. So I'm going to continue to shave, and I'm going to make it a little bit more interesting. So now the Mach 3 Turbo for the next few days is going to take on all comers. And this will excite my buddy B-Man. I'm going to pit it up against his favorite, Gillette Sensor XL. A blast from the past from the 80s. Look at this, guys. Beautiful two-bladed pivoting head lubrication strip with your microfin technology. But I'm gonna up the sensors game just a little bit because I'm a sucker for marketing. And look what I came across. These 3-bladed sensor carts fit on the old sensor handle. So for today's Shave Wars, we're going to be featuring my beloved Mach 3 Turbo against the Sensor XL with the Sensor 3 cart. Let's get going. What am I waiting for? I'm all soaped up and ready to go. All right, we're gonna let the contender go first. Shave Wars. Pivoting head, loop strip, you know the drill. 3 blades against 3 blades. Let's get going. Strong side with the Sensor 3. Oh yeah, that's nice. That is nice. Now, the Sensor 3 is a brand new blade, guys. But it feels good. Oh, that's nice. I don't know. The Turbo might have his work cut out for it today. Beautiful. Tell you what. I always loved the Sensor. Just a great product with this nice metal handle. These rubber little tabs here so it doesn't slip out of your hand. B-Man was complaining. Buddy B-Man was complaining about the Turbo slipping out of his little chunky fingers. Because you got chunky fingers, brah. Oh, that's nice, guys. Very nice. Now, nice slim design allows you slim this way, so height-wise, allowed you to get up and tackle those hard-to-reach spots. Wow, that was nice. Not a lot of give here, which is good. Not a lot of give here, which I think is actually good. It gives you some control, guys. I'm really impressed with this. All right, B-Man. Now let's go for the weak side. My beloved Mach 3 Turbo. Go with that blade up. There you go. Now I'm 8 days in, or 9 days in, so 4.5 days in, because I've only been shaving one side of my face, guys. And I'm going to tell you, this still feels relatively new. And I'm already going to give the win to the Turbo because it feels new and there's just that much more coverage, guys. No fear. No nicks. No tugs. No weepers. No nothing. And just good spring to that blade. When they made the Mach 3, guys, I think they perfected Gillette. Everything else after that was just marketing hype, guys. Very, very comparable shave, I would say though. So if you are like B-Man, if you are a sensor guy, check out some of these Sensor 3 blades. I'm going to leave a link below so you can pick those up. You can pick up the turbo and the replacement cartridges, because you'll be doing something for you, you'll be doing something for me. Finish it off as usual with Duke Cannon's Aftershave Bomb. Instead of beating a dead horse, I'll beat an average guy. Alright, peeps, I'll see you tomorrow, which will be day number 10. I've been doing this for a while, guys.